English Daily Challenge. Question 1. This holds your trousers up. It goes around your waist. A. Belt. B. Necklace. C. Cap. The answer is A. Belt. Question 2. You wear this on your head. It protects your head and eyes from the sun. A. Bag. B. Earrings. C. Cap. The answer is C. Cap. Question 3. You wear these to see better. A. Glasses. B. Scarf. C. Pocket. The answer is A. Glasses. Question 4. You wear this on your back. A. Gloves. B. Backpack. C. Necklace. The answer is B. Backpack. Question 5. You wear this to keep warm. It goes around your neck. A. Bracelet. B. Scarf. C. Hat. The answer is B. Scarf. Question 6. This is a place in your trousers or shirt. You can put things like your phone and money here. A. Cap. B. Pocket. C. Hat. The answer is B. Pocket. Question 7. You wear these on your hands when it's cold. A. Earrings. B. Hat. C. Gloves. The answer is C. Gloves. Question 8. You wear these on your ears. A. Bag. B. Necklace. C. Earrings. The answer is C. Earrings.